In this demo, we are using two UMH-BT units to show a simple Bluetooth MIDI connection. The MIDI keyboard and drum pad can trigger the SM-10 Sound Module wirelessly without being directly connected to it. Here we have the MIDI keyboard and drum pad, which send MIDI messages. The first UMH-BT receives these MIDI signals. First, connect the MIDI keyboard and drum pad to the first UMH-BT. You can use the USB host port for USB MIDI devices or use the 5-pin MIDI in port for traditional MIDI devices. Next, connect the two UMH-BT units via Bluetooth MIDI. Set one unit as the Bluetooth MIDI host and the other as the Bluetooth MIDI slave. Once connected, the BLE indicator will stay on. The second UMH-BT outputs the MIDI signal. Connect its MIDI out to the MIDI in of the SM-10, and then the SM-10 sends the audio to a speaker through line out or the headphone output. Now let's play the MIDI keyboard. The MIDI signal goes into the first UMH-BT, is transmitted via Bluetooth MIDI to the second UMH-BT, and finally triggers the SM-10 Sound Module. Now let's trigger the drum pad. The drum pad also sends MIDI messages, which are transmitted through the two UMH-BT units and played back by the SM-10. So the workflow is simple. The MIDI keyboard and drum pad send MIDI data to the first UMH-BT, which transmits it via Bluetooth MIDI to the second UMH-BT, and then the second UMH-BT sends it to the SM-10 Sound Module. This is a simple Bluetooth MIDI link demo using two UMH-BT units. It is useful for wireless connections between MIDI keyboards, drum pads, and sound modules, making desktop performance and device demos more flexible.